Hi people. Yeah, so do you have asthma? Do you know anyone who is suffering from asthma? Do you have any asthma patient around you? This information I want to drop now is for you. Now, this is time in my hand. Time. The regular cooking time, everyone know. This is time. Okay? Now, these are the ingredients. These are the items you need to fight asthma. Listen attentively. If you are suffering asthma, if you know anyone suffering asthma, please, by the time you're done watching this video, kindly spread the message. Alright? Spread this message so it can be of benefit to others. Now, excuse me, what do you need? You need time. Like I explained, you need a cup or a glass of hot water. Boiled hot water. You need honey, original honey, organic honey, pure honey, not fake, not roadside honey. Before you buy it, confirm the originality. Alright? Now, how do you prepare these three items in order to achieve results? Get your hot water, your glass of hot water. Get a spoon, a teaspoon or a full spoonful of thyme. Alright? Cooking thyme. Please pour it inside your hot water and allow it, cover it and allow it to settle or sit in the water for 10 minutes. For 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, please drain it. Drain out the thyme. You no longer need the thyme. Alright? Everything you need in the thyme has already been deposited into the hot water. So the thyme you're going to drain out is no longer needed. Throw it away. Now what next? Get a spoon of honey. A spoon of honey. And put it inside the water. Inside the hot water. Stir it and drink it. Alright, if you are an adult, I will advise you drink it hot. Sip it until you are done with it. Okay? But if you cannot take hot things, if you don't like taking hot things, please allow it to get warm and drink it.